Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create highlights on Facebook. So to create highlights, there are a few different methods. You can create highlights from your previous Facebook stories. As you probably know that stories disappear from your profile after 24 hours. However, you can create a highlight and add a story to it, keeping it on your profile permanently. And this is a great way to save cool posts. So you can also use a camera to create highlights as well. Highlights are a great way to showcase photos and videos at the top of your profile for the people to see. So first, go to your profile and you can see that I currently do not have any highlights. Tap on the three dot in the top right corner of your page. And here select add highlights option that is between review, post and tags and lock profile. Now you can select uploaded photos or stories that you want to add it to your highlight. Then select next from the bottom and then give it a title. And then select save from the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color. And you can add more photos and videos later as well. These highlights will be public and you will now see your highlight on your profile. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.